Welcome back, I'm Melissa Muir. In this series with Halstead bead, we are covering different ways to set some cabochons, whether it be prongs or bezels. Now, Halstead has made it very easy for you to just jump right in with certain materials, and these settings are no different. This is a decorative bezel setting. It has a small jump ring at the top so that all you have to do is set your stone, throw in your jump ring, and attach it to your jewelry. Let's jump in and take a look. The gallery wire ones are a lot of fun but quite delicate. Sometimes you need to give them a little bit of help just to make sure that these are standing straight up and down for the bezel. You want to be very careful because these little pieces can be quite delicate, but they do need to stand straight up at least. Then I also find that I can use a dapping punch that is the same size as my stone just to help open that up a little bit more. And now our stone should slip right into place. Once we have that, I want to make sure that my bezel is right up against the stone. So I'm not working at the tip of this yet, I'm working right on its side, pushing these little pieces over to my stone. Then I'm going to switch, so now I come in at a 45-degree angle and work the tips of these and really bring them down to the curve of the stone itself. Now this is a pretty simple process and everything is going to move very smoothly. You just want to make sure everything looks and feels right. For this larger one, I'm going to jump right in and work along the tips. However, because my setting is taller, I'm going to work kind of a northeast southwest type of position. So we do the sides, then I do the top and bottom, and now I need to go back in on the diagonals and push down everything else that was not done. This is the way that you should do all bezels, whether it's a gallery wire bezel or a flat edge bezel. Now I'm going to work my way around the stone methodically and just make sure everything lays right up against the stone. Feel it with your fingers, make sure nothing is sticking up. If there is, just take the time and push it down again. If we look at the back, you'll see that everything sits where it should and our top is nicely laid down. Another thing you can do is use a prong pusher to push down this bezel. You don't have to use that bezel rocker. So, and especially if we've got like a smaller gallery wire pattern, this works great. And once again, I'm going to work kind of northeast, southwest, and then after I've done that, work my way around the stone methodically, completely. And again, we have everything laid down. Feel it with your fingers. Your fingers will tell you quite a bit if you have something that is sticking up and still needs to be addressed. The gallery bezel comes in two different sizes, both 12mm and 8mm. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you drop those down in the comment section. If you like these videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.